How to enable picture-in-picture in YouTube. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So before starting the video, make sure to update YouTube to the latest version. Then open up settings on a device. Now scroll down. Now tap on apps. Then go to app management. Again scroll all the way down to the bottom. Now simply find YouTube. Tap on YouTube. Now simply scroll down. Now tap on picture in picture. Now simply enable this toggle. Again go back. Now tap on display over other apps. Again make sure to enable this toggle. Now go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.